Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door switch lever in a Whirlpool dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flathead screwdrivers and the holding strap. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door switch lever. The door switch lever, mounted together with the door switch, is located behind the front panel. The lever actuates the door switch when the door is closed. If your dryer won't start, it's time to check and replace the door switch lever. To get it apart, we need to open the top. To open the top, we need to start with opening this little door and pulling out the lint filter. So I'm going to lift up the door again, and I'm going to take out these couple of Phillips screws that holds the top. Be careful when you're doing it. At the end, I would probably put my thumb next to it so it wouldn't slide into the chute. Next, we need to open the top. You either can fiddle with the putty knife, trying to open a clip one at a time, one on each side, or you can follow my technique. Grab at the top from both sides and place your knee right here. Pull the top and open it. Work like a charm. Then we're going to use this little safety rope. I'm going to hook it here, and we're going to hook up the other end right in this hole. Slowly open the top, let the rope hold it. So next we're going to open the door. The door switch is held in place by two screws on the sides here. We're going to use the flathead screwdriver, and I'm going to remove the screws. Okay, now we're going to remove the switch, and I'm going to pull off the lever. This is the old door switch lever next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And now I'm going to install the new door switch lever. Slide it on. And we're going to install the switch. We need to get the lever into the cutout. And I'm going to hold it on the top with one hand. And now we're going to install these screws. And I'm going to bring in the flathead screwdriver. I'm going to try if it's clicking. Yep, and we can close the door. Now I'm going to remove this support rope and lower down the top. And at this point, we're going to press it down to lock. And now we're going to place the screws back and align the holes. Hold your hand. So just to catch the screw if we decide to go into the chute. And then we're going to screw it in using a Phillips screwdriver. And now we can install the lint filter back. And close the door. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.